Guatemala. This is my wonderful airplane partner. We just landed in Dallas. Our flight went great, and now we're going to go find some food. Look who we found. Look who else showed up. Dad, are you excited?
Yes.
How excited are you?
It's a video?
Yeah, how excited are you? We're about to board for Guatemala. We just landed in Guatemala, baby. Really? No one likes being in my videos.
I want a real parrot. Or I can make it go, shut up, Ryan. Shut up, Ryan.
This one says Michelle.
We made it, baby. We made it to Guatemala. The gang's back. Gracias. Gracias.
I love your tights.
Thank you. I'm Alyssa, by the way. Christina, nice to meet you.
You say Matios. Somebody want to say brother, you say Huachalal. Brother, right? See what the elevation is Cobblestone Streets. Cobblestone Streets. You get.
There's cops behind us.
That's our security.
Oh. We have security here too?
Those are our security guards. They're driving.
Oh, that's awesome.
The bus broke down. We're probably gonna die.
Yeah.
On the side of the road in Guatemala.
Pardon me, I'm coming up with some high juice. It's emergency.
Mixed off ice.
Oh.
You guys, welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe.
Hey.
Right.
How about you bring this?
Hi. We're hoping that a chicken bus comes to get us because our
Rescue
bus
of the
has
chicken bus.
broken down thanks to the faulty clutch.
Tired? Excited? It's gonna be electric.
We made it onto the new bus.
New bus. What's up, world?
And this one has a bathroom, so that's exciting. Also, it's back in your pants.
No one.
And we switched seats, so now I sit next to Jake.
Hey, and if you want to give her the shadow, take this out.
Really, we would have been there about almost 10 minutes.
Buzz buddies.
We don't have to worry about it now.
Buzz buddies.
Bathroom? We're good.
We're not leaving anyone on the street.
Going to get some groceries.
Only got 15 minutes.
Oh, seriously? Shoo. Just found out that we can't buy alcohol past 6 p.m. in Guatemala. How crazy. What is your food of choice?
Cereal. Cocoa Puffs.
Pancakes.
Game.
Find good stuff?
Yep. Trying to get some food. We're here.
Arriving at the house felt so good after such a long day of traveling, and to only make it better, we were greeted by such an amazing staff that was waiting for our arrival, as well as food being cooked in the kitchen. We quickly did some exploring though because we were just too excited with the house being so beyond beautiful with so many fun features that we could not wait to use. But dinner was waiting for us, so we made our way back to the kitchen to eat some delicious food.
Everybody gather. I don't talk loud, so you need to get close. I no idea where the bedrooms are. I haven't even stepped foot out of this room, basically. But your clues are on the doors. Walk around, take a look. Don't know, Logan. If you're wondering if it's you, you need to ask me and Rachel. We're the only ones who know.
Outside. Hello.
But look at it, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is way bigger than it
only
looks
has
like.
7 legs, is that right?
Look at the spider.
Look at this.
Look at this spider right here.
It's not real, is it?
No, it's for sure real. Don't get that close, Christina.
Spiders don't bug me that much.
The face of a happy man cooled off.